Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm coming with another video. A very confusing story. One of those confusing story where people make mistake by marrying the wrong person. So this channel, as me say, is a reaction channel. We're not there for fight, we're not there for quarrel. But guys, if this is the first time you're here, subscribe. And if it's not the first time and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Anyway, let me begin to tell you what going on. So there's this woman who, she was a teacher in Jamaica and she was married in Jamaica. And of course she was married to a farmer. Now she got a chance to go to the United States. What happened is that she get a visa, she overstay her visa, and then she decided to find somebody else and get married to. So she divorced her Jamaican husband and she married to an American man. Now, that means a 2 times she married. Then she have 2 children with the first husband. And the first husband still live in Jamaica because she never thinks that maybe she could have tried to get her visa some other way, like in the days, which it can't happen so easy again. But before, when she came here, it was very easy for her to get a job, like a living job or something, take care of somebody, and they would have filed for her. But she didn't want to go through that route, so she get involved with an American man. Now there's a big problem with them now, where she find out, because whenever them argue, he start curse out Jamaican women, saying that Jamaican women are bad. And she's trying to defend the Jamaican women by telling me it's not true, and that Jamaican women are strong and don't accept nonsense. This is what you call culture. The man don't understand what she's saying when she says so. So one night, this man went out and him came back very angry. And of course, him a curse her out and use shouting and using all sort of languages. And of course, the children them, because she did file for her children them, the children them, it wake up the them. And the woman, when she was with her first husband, she them not accustomed to seeing all things like those happening. So she was annoyed about it when the man did him a shout on him a cuss the whole American bad word and calling her bitch and all sort of something. So when the pitney them wake up, the woman was very, very upset. And of course, she being a nurse, as she hold all the cards, because the woman worked 2 jobs and she was able to afford a nice place. So she told him to leave and she threatened to call the police if him never leave. And the man leave the house the same night. Him didn't even try to calm down or try to see if them could reconcile. Him left the same night. After the man left, she not try to seek him out, and he returned and said him want to him a come back for something them. Then a few weeks later, him come back and said him would I like to stay. However, she said to him, say, listen, if you're going to come back, then we're going to have to go to counseling. The man said him no want go on counseling. No, the woman kind of want to take him back, and she walk and ask her friends and her family if she should take him back. But some of these people said to her, although you can't come into a husband and wife relationship, but this is not the first time it happened. This thing had been happening for a while, and she's going to the same people them to ask. And of course, some of them tell her that if he's being disrespectful and aggressive, he does not belong in our home. And that no one should come into her house and treat her badly. And of course, because he's always criticizing or saying bad things about Jamaican women, he's not the right person for her. And of course, you know, some telling her that she must take her time and be patient, you know, don't try to let him go, and don't try to run in any more relationship. There are good men out there, they're telling her, even if it seems hard to find one. Good relationship don't happen easily, according to what one of our friends tell her. But it's better to wait for someone respectful and caring. The woman is young, she's still in her 30s. Life isn't over for her. And of course, this whole thing emphasizes she deserves to be treated with respect. Every woman deserves to be treated with respect. And emotional abuse is an abuse too, because this woman is not happy. And all the disrespect that she's getting from him. Now she's sorry that she left her first husband for this man. And of course she divorced the husband. And this husband, the first husband, is now remarried. And that man is living very, very happily. And she can't go, but she would have liked to go back to the first husband. But the first husband has moved on. Anyway, guys, this is the woman's story. Tell me what you think the woman should do in this situation. Should she take the man back, or should she just hold off and move on with her life? She's saying that she married 2 times already and she would want a 3rd marriage and what have you. She did make the big mistake of leaving her first husband. It better she did go back to Jamaica, go stay with her husband and them eat banana, because she was happy with him. She came on vacation and she decided to stay, and this is how she ended up. Anyway, guys, if you have watched the video this far, kindly make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like the video, you share the video, and I will see you back on my next YouTube video.